Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. I understand how challenging it can be to find the fastest and most efficient way to make money online. I have personally experienced this frustration myself. That's why I am here today, sharing videos on YouTube and helping others who want to earn money like me. I know what it's like to feel limited financially and to be disappointed when things don't go as planned. But today, that's all about to change. I'm confident that if we set things up correctly, we can start making good money quickly. This strategy can be used by anyone from anywhere in the world. So don't worry about trying to apply it from your current location. Let's head over to redbubble.com and get started. This is a free platform that enables you to sell your designs online effortlessly without having to interact or negotiate with anyone. Simply create your design and upload it here. Once your designs are uploaded, you can easily print them on various items such as t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and many more. There are countless styles to choose from, and your designs can be used to sell anything. Although they will assist you in selling your personalized items on their website, you don't need any technical skills since you won't be responsible for the design work. That's why I mentioned earlier that this method is one of the most effective ways to make money online today, as we have another platform that can handle most of the work for us with minimal effort on our part. Allow me to demonstrate a few sticker designs and their corresponding costs. Although these prices may seem insignificant, the cumulative effect of numerous purchases can result in substantial earnings online. Now, let's move on to the t-shirt category, where you'll find the most popular designs currently available on their website. These designs range in price, and just imagine the possibilities of selling even one shirt. If you manage to sell hundreds of shirts with your design, financial freedom may be just around the corner. Before we dive into the design website, let's first explore how we can sell our designs on Redbubble. This can be accomplished by simply clicking on the Sell Your Art button and following the instructions to start selling. Once you understand the basic concept of Redbubble and how to monetize your designs, you can start earning money on this platform with ease. The first step is to either create our own products or designs. Next, we'll set up our very own shop using the products or designs we've created. Lastly, we'll receive payment from the platform for the purchases made, with the money being instantly deposited into our selected payment option. To get started, we'll need to sign up and provide the necessary details. Once that's done, we can upload our designs using the buttons provided, which require us to provide a title, tags, and a description for each design. If you don't have designs yet, don't worry. I'll show you a platform where you can get designs for free. Let's head over to canva.com. This platform allows you to create any design you can imagine and will help you make money on Redbubble. It also has a variety of done-for-you templates that you can use to personalize your designs. The best part is that it's all completely free with no fees whatsoever. To get started, simply click on the Sign Up button on this page. Upon registration, you'll be asked to provide all the necessary details to create your account. You can even sync your Facebook or Google account to speed up the registration process. The information needed from you may include your name, personal email address, and password. Once you've filled in all the required fields, simply tick the box and you're good to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can create various designs. However, before we start designing, let's first determine the graphic size that will fit Redbubble's specifications. To do this, click on Create a Design and then Resize. You'll need to input 3,873 for the width and 4,814 for the height, as shown in the boxes. After inputting the correct values, you'll be redirected to the workspace where you can design anything you can imagine. You'll have access to a variety of backgrounds, effects, graphics, and shapes. You can even add text to your designs. You can customize your design with ease using drag and drop tools. Once you've finished your design, simply download it to your personal computer and upload it to redbubble.com. When uploading your design, you'll need to provide a title, add a few tags, and include a short description of the design. Now that you've completed completed your design and uploaded it, it's time to focus on promoting your store. This is where our third platform comes in handy. Let's head over to Pinterest.com. Pinterest is a social media platform where you can connect with people who share your interests. Unlike Facebook, Pinterest is focused on pins rather than specific timelines. It's a well-established platform, and if you post your design there, you're likely to get clicks and sales. To get started, let's create an account on Pinterest. Click on the registration link and provide the necessary information. Once you have your account, you can start uploading pins with your design t-shirts as the display photo. Link your products on the pin so that interested buyers can click on it to be redirected to the Redbubble page. It won't be long until money starts flowing into your account. Since your design shirts are customized and made by you, people are likely to buy them. It's worth noting that Pinterest is not just a social media platform. It's also similar to Quora, where you can search for different kinds of posts if you have a niche that you're passionate about. Promoting your Redbubble store can be a great way to earn some extra income. By using popular hashtags related to your niche, you can increase your visibility and attract potential customers to your store. Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking designs for your products, so you don't need to be an expert in design to get started. Once you've created your designs, you can advertise your Redbubble links on social media platforms like Pinterest to reach a wider audience. This is a beginner-friendly way to make money online, and with some effort and dedication, you can grow your earnings over time. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to succeed in the world of online entrepreneurship. If you're interested, feel free to check out my Redbubble store in my profile.